on this Toyota Camry XLE. We're gonna be doing the oil pan gasket replacement. Alright, so oil pan gasket replacement. Oh, and the oil pan, of course. It's all the stuff you got here. We got the new oil pan here. We're gonna also put the gasket. We're gonna use some RTV silicone, which it's suggested to use. We got the oil pan here. It had a stripped oil drain plug, so we already got the maiden surface nice and cleaned all the way around the oil pan. We cleaned that up so that we can go ahead and sit it back down now, and we're gonna go ahead and do the reinstall. Alright, we got the new gasket with the RT silicone. We're about to put it up in there now. So we got all the bolts all the way around. You can actually do this job too without dropping the subframe, so don't worry about that. And all you gotta do is refill it.